Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to do head rotating prank on Omegle. To do this, you need a good video editing and photo editing skill. Without that, you can't do this. So first, I will show you my head rotating video. You can see it's not good because I am not a good video editor, but I can show you the process. First, you have to take two videos, front side and back side of your head. In the very first of the video, say something for a stranger to like say hi and rotate your head to right side. Then get your head to front side and watch up and watch left side. Then watch forward and fall like this. After that, record back head like mine. You can use green screen for better quality. Now you have to take screenshots of your back head moving. More images will make your video better. Now you have to bind your back side of head and front side of your body together using Photoshop. Don't forget, more images will make your video smooth and better. Now in your video editing software, you have to edit using your skill. I have created this. Also you can make it better if you have a green screen. Now open OBS Studio. Then press plus button and add media source. Then select head rotating video that you made. After that, same process for jump scare video. After that all, add video capture device and select your webcam. So that's all. Now open your browser and select OBS camera as a webcam. Go to the settings and search camera and find it. I have renamed it for actual webcam name. Now open Omegle, then do it like mine. You have to sort out media source like this. First one is webcam, so you have to hide it. Second one is jump scare. And last one is head rotating video. When stranger is connected to you, you have to play head rotating video. Then before that ends, play jump scare. Also, before jump scare ends, you have to unhide your webcam. So this is the process. I know this isn't a clear tutorial, but I think you will get the idea. I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.